Hello, friends. This is me, Anjali, and I want to invite you here. And firstly, I would like to welcome you guys here. A very warm welcome you. And you people are here to listen a little bit information by side me. And this is me, Anjali, and I am here for giving not more but a little bit information, and I want to aware you guys like I would like to focus on youths. And why? Because I am here that with a wonderful topic like dream. Everyone have dream, I know. And you also know that some few times ago, if you are at mature age, so few years ago, few months ago, few life ago, you already had your own dream. Sometimes for a specific time, when you were at your young age, when you were at your mature age or adolescence age, when you were a student, like I can say, you also had any type of goal that you ever want to achieve that goal in your life. But if you guys for youth, and if you are currently at your young age and you are preparing for any kind of exam, and you are like a sprint here, so by me you will get a lot. And I hope you will understand your position, your situation, and your condition here. So with me, I hope that you will remain till the last seconds of this video, so that you will get a lot of benefit here. So today's topic going to be very rock, that is dream. And firstly I would like to tell you like what is dream. So we all are human, we all are god sent creature. So here in this universe, in this world, when we born here, okay, we all not born with a silver spoon. And every human creature's life condition, their position of habitat is quite difficult, like quite different to everyone, to each and every creature, every human being here. So we need to understand this, and we need to, if we don't know about it, we must go through it, so that we will get a lot of information here. So like we are all not born with a silver spoon, and if we are poor, then we always ready to accept our condition and working upon it to change. Because we, when our condition is like a worst, then we believe in change. Because change is a very important term here, and change with time is very necessary. Change your condition if you are in poor condition, change. Because to born in poor and being died in poverty, to be born in poverty and being dying in poverty is a sin. And you don't have to do this sin. You know that what type of problems you are feeling, and you are suffering from that. So I would like to only inform you change yourself with time. We all ready to change ourselves, we all ready to fulfill all our, you know in all our likeness, all our vacant places, like that we all want, but we currently we don't have. Then we all fighting for to have to achieve that. So every person here, we study. Because in our country like India, Government gives us food and primary school to where we used to study, and every poor people go there and take education from that sector, like government education. And it not there is no need of money because it is free of cost that government has provided us. So we all we all can get primary education not paying money, and that is free. And we need to mind itself like education is education we can learn by this. And what's our livelihood? What would be our livelihood without money, without anything? So for taking government is also providing us midday meal, like in school, and ration, we with our family we can get ration from government by kotidar, like this. And we all like primary problems finished by our wonderful government system. And if we have passion, we have desire to do like some great level, if we want to achieve something at very huge level, at great level, like we all have to put efforts, like a great efforts. It will take too much hard work, too much concentration, focus, and to achieve that sometimes we have to sacrifice our life. It's necessary because it's a rule of nature. If you want to something best, something great, then you have to actually do here and great things, great sacrifices here need when you want to achieve that. So it is like when after after taking primary education, we all use come like every youth, like belonging any family background, like middle class would be middle class, and poor people and very rich people, we all get education. All have to get education, like higher education. For that we have not money. And for sometimes poor people's family like suffering too much for sometimes poor family, poor parents, for uh, for studying their children to for taking education from higher level, from higher education, higher knowledge, to occupy higher knowledge. They sacrifice their life. They do wages and collect money as well as possible, a lot of money by raising they collect and give their children to take education from higher level. So that this is the condition of poor. And when we know the condition of middle class would be simple, like not they are suffering too much, but they are suffering. And rich people, don't talk about rich people, because rich people here are like this, paisa फेंको तमाशा देखो, like this. They are today in this era is happening with rich people. And because of rich people richness, we all are getting poor and poor. We all transforming from poor and poor, and we are not grow upward a little bit. And here is a great need, and we all should know, because our country's like situation is like quite not developed, and our country is still developing. And where from the government collect money and give education free at higher level? No, no one can this. So we should know our capabilities, we should know our condition, and we should work upon our lackness, our incapabilities. We all would like to become something. And by facing this type of situation, when our intelligent youth here in poor people, everyone would be intelligent in every sectors of background, in every family's background. Because everyone is not born with a silver spoon. They have to make their own capabilities, they have to develop their own capabilities by their hard work, by their own efforts, and by their own like putting hearts. So it depends totally upon us that how we will give to our life more opportunities, more hard work, and how we will get too much with our life from taking steps in upward direction. It's totally depend upon us like this. And I want to jump I want to immediately jump into youth and aspirants like in education. There are too many aspirants for which they are preparing, and for any kind of exam they are appearing like in this. And like here every aspirants have dream. When we faced too much difficulties, and we all guys are fed up with our problems, and we are fed up with our situation and heart's condition. So somewhere we are planning like we want to achieve that, we want to get that, we want to go at higher level, we want to achieve so many things that we don't have right now. So since the basics, we all coming here and with a dream and a goal target. What you can consider for yourself. So dream, swapna, sapne. We all coming with dream and we have to achieve the dream. Okay. If in your relative, I'd like to give example of myself, like if in your class, whether it is your class, whether it is your relatives, whether it is your like family, okay, in your family background, if someone is preparing, someone have dream and you also have dream. So if your dream and his or her dream is quite similar, then what you will feel yourself. I'm not focusing you are rich, you are middle, you are poor. I'm only focusing that you are aspirant here. And what you will feel when your dream becomes too much different, similar to other one that they have. What you will feel like? Say me in comment box what you will feel when your dream or your goal target become quite similar with others. In your school, when someone is standing in front of teacher and sharing their opinion about their goal, then if you there came to know that his dream is similar to your, then you will feel like you will automatically come down and minding yourself that you are not better than that person, that he is saying, he is he is telling to teacher that his or his dream or that or this. So this is the thing that you will feel low automatically, and you will consider yourself, start considering yourself that you are not best for that dream. And you will like behavior, your behavior somewhere would be changed, and you would be changed, like your style, your attitude would be changed somewhere. Whenever you see that person, then you will mind yourself that he or she is preparing for that exam, that also I am here and preparing for that kind of exam. It is very, it is very sincere thing, it is very sensitive. You become sensitive for yourself. You would not have to become sensitive if your dream becomes sometimes similar, because there are so many yous, thousand millions of yous around you and who surrounds you. You won't go away from them, and being remaining here, you have to face them, and you have to face your own challenges, your capabilities. You have to face your limits. Sometimes you have to, you have to challenge your limits. It's really important. And I want to make you assure that your dream and his or her that others person dreams is similar. Then what you will do, like here, you have to mind that there are many exams that government held here in our country like India, and here too many youths are present here. They are all, they would, they would definitely fill the form and will also appear in the exam, and they somewhere they would be competent, and you have to compete those. And this you don't want to be like anxiety, anxiety, depression, all these things which makes people weak, or start surrounding you, start circling you and putting you down. You don't have to focus on that things, that small things, because they are unnecessary things, useless things, and then also negative things. You don't have to go and focus on that. You have to still remain on your statement, on your goal, on your way. You do not have to change when saying the same dream. You don't have to change your dream, your path, because it's you. Everyone capabilities is different, everyone mindset is different, everyone like what I can say, when as in aspirant case, their strategies is quite different. Even all the strategies, every aspirants have different. We also know, we also about forget about that this thing. There are thousands of people, and there are many more people appearing in exam, and they are not like you, and you are not like them. Then why you become worry about this? You should not have to worry about this, because it is a very, understanding thing, that you have to understand this. You don't have to pay attention them. You here, your syllabus is matter, your capacity, your hard work, your uh, previous year questions here matters, like your aspirant for achieving that dream. I might that dreams would be similar, but strategies would not be similar, capacities would not be similar, and capabilities and hard work and smart work and mind would not be similar, and your condition would not be similar, your situation would not be similar, your your ups and downs would not be similar, your education would not be similar, and your knowledge would not be similar. Then why are you worrying about it? Why are you taking so much taking feeling so much low for yourself? You don't have to feel yourself low like this. Let it go, let it be go. Like dreams are if similar, you have to focus on your, like your way. You have to walk on your way, what you have made for walking, for walking there and to achieve that goal. It depends upon you, that how are you considering yourself. Like here, I know you feel low when your dream is similar to that person dream. He won't, he would, he's saying like, oh, I can do. And then listening, by listening that words, you are currently automatically, minding yourself, and thoughts going running out in inner part of your body, and your body, not discharged, becoming discharged. And then after listening that persons, when you go back to home, when you go alone, then you have to recharge for your body, for with your own thoughts, with your own mindset. You have to generate your you have to renew yourself for by listening. After listening that person, you have to renew your attitude, you have to renew your joy, your passion to achieve that thing. It's really important here, because you are here every, because nobody is coming to you, and nobody is coming to fight for your dreams. It is here you only present, that you will fight for yourself. Nobody is coming to yourself to fight for you. It's you. For your parents it really matters, for your for your mother and father. See the condition of your mother and father behind you, that they are putting their hearts too much for yourself. It's really important. You should know, you should, if you, whenever you see like a person whose dream is very much similar to your dream, then forget about that person and do focus on your parents condition. Do focus on your condition, on your own condition, on your own situation. It's really important. Dream would be similar, but I had earlier said that your capabilities, your stability, your aloofness, your hard work, your smart work, your kind of strategy would not be similar with that person. Forget about that person. What he will do, I don't want to be like go through their thought. I want to make my own things. I want to develop my own, because I have, ultimately I have to do this, I have to finish this. If I have dreamed it, if I had dreamed it, I have to make it happen. I have to make it true. And you have to trust yourself. Trusting yourself, trusting own self is really important here, because if you do not believe in yourself, nobody is going to believe in yourself, because here everyone is busy in their own development, in making their own personalities. You have to focus here own skills, own capabilities, and own target. Don't change your dreams when your dreams become similar. Don't worry, you will do, you will finish this game. If you can start this, you can finish this also. It should be it should be somewhere thappa lag jana chahiye in your mind. You have to accept this, you have to develop yourself here. It's really important. Don't think about it, don't judge yourself, because everyone are already judging you. Don't judge yourself. And who can judge yourself? Your mother and father. It's only they can, because they are making you, and they are making you, and somewhere they would see you at the great level. They want this, and you have to fulfill their parents dreams and their parents hopes. You have to stand on your parents hopes. You have to fulfill your parents needs, because sometimes for your needs they forget about their desire. Your parents forget about their own desire, their own happiness. Paying for paying happiness for yourself, they forget sometimes to smile a little bit, and for yourself they always tensed. And you have to, today with this ending, you have to promise with yourself that you would make your parents feel proud, and that they are not getting that they want for you. They putting hearts, they sacrificing their life, and in future you should, you would promise yourself that in future you would definitely give whatever they want. You would definitely pay their sacrifice, pay their needs, pay their desire that they never want to fulfill, just because of yours. So this is, and your big, you should have big dreamed big, and follow your dream, and somewhere you would definitely get your dream. So thank you for listening me, for hearing me, for coming here, for making me, you know, for making me capable to listen you guys. And I'm here only for awareing you. I hope you take a little bit more important things by side me. So we will meet you soon, and with this I'm going to stop my language. Thank you, see you soon, bye bye.